Custom dashboard templates are an easy way to create dashboards that share consistent layout and metrics, but dialed into different values. Let's say, for example, we want to create a dashboard for each of our sales reps, giving them some insights into their own personal performance. I could go ahead and manually create a dashboard for each sales rep, or I could create a template. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and click the new template option here for HubSpot. And from here, I can choose the field from HubSpot that I want to anchor my dashboards around. I'm going to select deal owner. And from here, I can select the deal owners that I want to create dashboards for. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's created a collection of dashboards on my account over here. And what's special about these is anytime I add a HubSpot widget to one of these dashboards, that's going to add the same HubSpot widget to the other dashboards, but filtered already for that specific rep. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to choose deals created. And you'll see that that's already filtered for Hank. So I'm going to add that to my dashboard. And so there we go. Those are Hank's deals. If I go and click Joan, Joan has the exact same metric, but filtered to show all the deals that she owns. And that consistency across these dashboards extends to any other changes I make to these widgets, whether that's editing the metric or even changing the layout like so. And the next time someone joins the sales team and I need to create a dashboard for them, I just need to go ahead and use this template, select their name, and there we go. It's gone and created a consistent dashboard with all the same metrics, the same layout as all the other dashboards, but filtered for Maria instead. So if you need to quickly deploy consistent dashboards that contain HubSpot, Zendesk, or Aircall data, go ahead and save yourself some time and use custom dashboard templates.